Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Friday 6 June 2025. Today, a Daily Lotto single prediction numbers. Number 9, number 13, number 17, number 28, number 32. Today, a Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat. Number 9, number 13, number 17, number 28, number 32. Now essay daily lotto second prediction numbers. Number 4, number 5, number 10, number 18, number 34. Today essay daily lotto second prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 5, number 10, number 18 and number 34. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.